said you get headaches, so let's see what's going on here. Just kind of gliding up the vertebrae here, seeing if I feel anything poking out. Not too bad. Oh, now rock back. A little stuck up at the top. That might be some of the headache.
Wow.
There you go. Okay, other side. This is going to be the little bit more tender side, okay? Especially in the lower neck. So I want you to breathe for me. Here we go. Take you back. And I'm going to go back like this. Yeah. Good. That was good. Relax. Good. Other side. Breathe. And back. All the way back. I got you.
Oh.
Very good. That's what I want. C2 was just like second vertebrae just didn't want this big guy right here. C1 was okay. Just C2. That's what's the leads down to the foot flare. Come up here this way, Linnea. You can see her left foot turn out. You see that? Yeah? No?
Oh.
No? Oh my God. I can
feel it.
Just stay there, don't move. Okay. Now can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been seen. All right, toes.
All right. Woo!
Wow.
Okay. Other side. Big toe. Well, that's that toe.
Do you want to go?
Yeah, and it's already gone.
Oh.
You know what I mean? You squish the air out of that toe. So there's nothing to pop. It's okay. Ankles now, okay? Perfect. Excellent. Okay. Well, I'm going to go. Check the other one. Oh, you're made like that. Okay. That's you.
I'm all crooked.
Your hips like to wing out like this.
God, yeah. They do. That feels great.
Like they just kind of sit.
Go out.
No pain in your hips though?
No.
Okay.
Interesting.
Some people, it's just a natural it's a normal variant.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't need to pull too hard here. No, that's all I'm gonna go. Yeah, I can see the curve already. I mean, this is it goes here, all right? So the right shoulder, right, and that switches right here to the left.
Interesting.
Left, okay? Here we go. Oh, wow. Perfect. I'm gonna get this top one. Or several.
Oh my goodness. I'm ready.
That was the easy stuff. I'm just gonna move your hair like this, okay? Just so I can get your neck. You let me know, okay?
Okay, I could take all the pressure.
Oh.
Seriously. You treat me like I'm a linebacker, and I'll take it all.
Oh, you can hear it.
Yep.
my goodness. Breathe. Oh, there she is. Oh, wow. Okay. Right there. All right, here we go. Take a deep breath in. This is the good side. I'm going to finish with the bad one. And breathe. And again. Good. Come on, vertebrae. There we go. Okay. That's it. Here we go, underneath the scapula. I know, that's a pain. That's a bad one. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. If you tell me, lighten up.
I'm good.
Oh, wow. Keep your arm there.
Mm-hmm.
Cold.
Mm-hmm.
I know. My hand just can't get it.
It's all right.
So here we go. You're bruising a little bit, okay? These are those stubborn knots you're talking about.
I can feel them.
Yeah, they're right here. And we're gonna go down. And the other arm. Just to check it. It shouldn't be as bad over here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna check it anyway. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, I feel those. Yeah, I can take a lot of pressure on that side.
I try the easy way first, the more gentle way.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I can't get it, then
Then we go
and
harder.
if you're game, then I'll
Yes.
go harder. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go into these corners. We call
All
this
right.
cheater spot
All right.
because it's kind of is.
Yeah.
There you go. Everybody's sore here.
Mm-hmm.
This is where.
Yeah.
Okay. Other side. All right, arms down for me. that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's all on the left here. Breathe. Go do the left glute.
Okay.
Oh wow. I mean, it's here, I don't how much can you
I can
take?
take it.
It's wow. Look at all that. You need to work down, break this down a little bit on both of your glutes.
How do I do that? Like
Foam
a-
roll it.
A roller? Okay. I have that.
Not rocket science.
I got it. I can totally do that.
You just this is
Roll
why
it
your
out.
low back hurts, okay?
Got it.
Because this is not, there's no knots here.
Right, right.
The knots are here
In there.
and up here.
Got it. Got it.
You need a mirror? You have a mirror?
Are they all? Am I just all smushed or am I?
I don't
okay?
know. I don't know. I think people are
Okay.
fine, and then people will contact me.
No.
And they're like, "You left me like that." I'm like, "I thought I looked fine."
Thank you. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, I guess we could take a picture of her back.
Oh wow. Okay.
It's like
Yeah.
that's just blood flow coming in there.
Yeah.
There
Oh,
was the upper back
wow.
definitely had
Yeah. The stuffs.
more.
Oh wow.
No, I haven't done up here.
Okay.
That's what we're
Gotcha.
gonna do right now.
All right. Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right. So here we go. Now you can put your hair up if you want.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, you
I
can
heard that
hear
one.
it.
Yes.
Let me bring in the mic.
All right. It can be heard.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, but this is the kind of pressure I need.
Mhm.
There's just no other way to get these upper
Right.
traps. I got like my patient's in a headlock. What is she doing to the
Breaking
patient?
necks.
Oh my god. Ooh. I feel you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, other side. It let go. We're getting there,
Mhm.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
Getting there. One little knot at a time. There's the other one. I know. I can't really see your face,
That's
but
okay.
I'm assuming you're okay.
I'm all good.
She's not pulling away from me, so. No. Okay, I'm gonna stop there.
Okay.
You're gonna reach around, yep, and then elbow back and towards my arm back here. Press.
Oh,
Good. Here we go again. Good. And lean away. Excellent. And other arm. Sit up as straight as you can. Good. And then elbow.
ooh, wow.
Just went for
That
it.
was a good one.
Let me just get it.
That was great.
Good. How you feeling?
Good.
You're all right?
Really good, yeah.
Now you're gonna be a little tired after this,
That's
and sometimes
great.
it doesn't kick in
Yeah.
right away.
Right,
Sometimes
right.
it happens about an hour to 3 hours afterwards.
Okay.
You start to feel,
Energy going down.
yeah. So make
Gotcha.
sure that you drink a lot of water.
Okay.
Make sure that you're hydrated, and
Yeah.
that you're easy. You take it easy on yourself.
Okay. Definitely.
Okay.
I
Like
can do that.
lean away from me. Not too much. A little bit.
Yeah. Wow.
Lean away. Whole body. Good. And lean away.
Ooh.
Good.
Whoa.
Excellent.
That's wild.
Good. And then you're gonna look back. Good. Other side. Up. All right, then give me this arm. Good. And then that one goes there. Again, my hand goes here. Head goes back. There it is, just a little bit. There's a little bit left down at the bottom. Got you. Good, that's all it is. On your back for me. I know. Take your time.
Good.
Bend your knees. Pubic symphysis, okay? It's the joint in the front of the pelvis.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Press out against my arms as hard as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And squeeze. More. Little more. There it goes. Okay, just a tiny bit, not bad.
Gotcha.
Come on up, see how it feels. We have one stretch to do.
Stand away.
Just make an assessment.
Yeah.
You know, like, what does it feel like? What is it? Is it okay?
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow.
Take your time coming off of it.
Oh my
okay?
goodness, yeah.
That little bit of stiffness that you feel
Yeah.
will be gone in about a half an hour.
Okay.
If you keep doing it, you're gonna not feel it at all.
Right. Wow.
Okay, but those knots.
Yeah.
Come on and stand up. Let me check your posture really quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. So the knots that you're feeling in the back,
Mm-hmm.
just real quick, let me explain this.
Yeah,
to you.
please.
They're going to keep building up
Mm-hmm.
if you pull on them.
Okay.
Because it's a normal response to being yanked on.
Right.
Okay? Like this, like the elastic in this. If I pull it, your knot wants to pull you back.
Okay.
It's so that you don't fall off.
Right.
Okay.
It's holding you together.
It's holding you together.
Okay.
Right.
That makes sense.
So if you want them to decrease, they'll go away on their own if you do something like that.
Okay.
Now, what happens is what lives in those knots are nerves.
Right.
And then that's what you feel, that burning feeling.
Yeah. Thank you
All right.
so much.
Thank you for being
oh
on
my
YouTube
gosh.
and coming all the way here.
Yes. Oh my God. I
Okay.
cannot tell you how much I appreciate it.